What is up, everybody? I'm back with another epic video. So today we're playing this. As you can see, I'm using face cam. I just started doing it, kinda. So I will be using face cam when I'm doing like trying not to laugh videos, which I'm a boss at. So today, we're gonna be playing this really cool Dragon Ball Z game in Roblox. It's really awesome. I've gotten so far in it. I've gotten so far in it. I just gotta unlock this last one, which I'm trying to do. So much. Yeah. I don't know what happened, but I checked over the recording. There are a few mishaps that I did not think about. So let's just get this let's just get this back bench started because I know what I've been. A lot of stuff just went down. And that's the map. Stats. This is up. Dang it. Stats is right there. Look how high my stats are. Stats are like. I've not done that much, and that's how high my stats are. As you can see, it's over the friggin' roof. I can only record for like a few minutes, and I'm a bit laggy at this point. I'm so sorry, cause I can't really do that, cause my computer is lagging like it can be. Okay, first one, the Kaioken basic transformation, and I'm in Kaioken. Excuse me, I'm in Kaioken. Just break up power. Okay, let's power down here. This is my flipping normal key right here. So flipping Kaioken you can just learn easily. Okay, the legendary Super Saiyan form. Yeah, I'm just like too far. It's like I just don't know what. Okay, next form, basic Super Saiyan. Yeah, fire. Yes, fire. So yeah, Super Saiyan up and out. Freaking amazing going Super Saiyan 2. I'm gonna say Super Saiyan 1 with the first one. I'm gonna say Super Saiyan 2 with this one. Stupid. So it's more like transformation when he first transformed into Super Saiyan 2. Just got a lot matter, and that's what Super Saiyan form is always about. Okay, next form. It is not Super Saiyan 4. I'm sadly but I cannot turn it to Super Saiyan 4. I don't know why I put it in here. It's just something I don't know. I don't know. But this is the form Gohan went to when he was a lot older. Oh, my bad. I said freaking 3. My bad. It's 3. My bad. I mean the next one after this one. I didn't I wasn't paying attention, so that's why. The next one, and as you can see, I'm looking awesome as all heck with my 3 here. No swag. Okay, just get the camera back around. Okay. Okay, next one. This is the form Gohan transformed into his older. And then he starts to freaking go ham. Yes, I'm a god. Deal with it. But Super Saiyan God though. Well, not Super Saiyan Blue yet, but there. It's right there. Okay, next. Now this is God. The first Super Saiyan God form in freaking made. I don't know why this one is next. This is the one Trunks turned into when he was in the future. Giga Trunks. You can now transform, which is awesome. Yes. Yes. It is too far. Yes, it is too far. It is too far. Okay, next one. You probably don't know is the form that Trunks turned into. That freaking kind of freaking feature. Yes, I'm looking very hard. Next one. Now this is Super Saiyan Blue. Super Saiyan Blue. Yes, in all its glory. Now, next one. Super Saiyan Royal Blue. The freaking first form Vegeta turned into. Yes. Royal Blue. I'm getting way too hyped up for this. Okay, this one I didn't even know I had. So when I come into it, it kind of crashed my laptop. Yes, no lie. Like trying to crash my laptop. Or the game intended. So yeah, what Super Saiyan White looks like apparently. So gotta go freaking Super Saiyan, get Super Saiyan Blue here. Then Super Saiyan White. And my camera's in the ground. Yes. Gaze upon my godly glory. And yes, this one has got favorite one. Cause it's kinda like something you knew if you know Goku Black. This is my favorite key when I'm transforming. Let's just do it. So this video might not be that long cause I'm just doing this to show you the forms you can get in this game. Yeah. It's my favorite one because I gotta use my own key to transform. Anyway, I'm Goku Black. I'm Super Saiyan Rose. Yes. 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 I am a flipping god. I am a god of destruction. I am Goku Black. Also, after this video, I'm gonna make try not to laugh challenge by myself. Cause there's nothing much I can do but this one to try to like. You gotta freaking get a higher level to get this one. You gotta freaking beat up some people. Yes. And this is also my favorite one that I thought I would never get. Yeah, I just gotta see it. Yes. Yes, you see the order? I am Super Saiyan. Ultra Instinct, baby! Yes, Ultra Instinct in the flippin' flesh. In Ultra Instinct, you cannot get this level of power. I am Ultra Instinct, baby. Yes. I'm a true god of the seduction. Yeah, it's all really cool. Now, I'm probably not gonna show you all the freaking key, but yeah, here's just the first one. Got yes, very much yes. Oh wait, I forgot about this. So I'm just gonna just stay in Ultra Instinct form because I really hope no one kills me. But here it is. That has to be my favorite one. It's not coming behind, but it's okay. So split the key back up. Okay, because we just show you this 4 that I have, and that's the basic Kamehameha. Okay, next one. Gotta get my key back up. Because keyback's drain a lot of key apparently. And that is a freaking giant ball. And remember when I said this was my favorite one? Yeah, this is why. This is why. Let me just get my freaking key back up. Get my key back up because I kinda need it. This is why it's my favorite one. Because it is. If my guy would stop taking it. This is awesome. That's why. That's why I had to get my key because it's right. It's so flipping fast. My God. So, that's basically how the show is. I wish I can go on longer, but that's basically all what I have to show you guys. So I'm gonna do another video after this, try not to laugh challenge, which I'm my boss at. I hope. I just gotta find some videos, and then I'll see you next video in a few minutes. Peace out, my saying. No, peace. And I don't know the time about peace out, my sayings.